In this challenge video, two people will face off in a Christmas-themed quiz. Whoever fails to get the question right before their partner will have to eat these creepy crawlies or these bean-boozled sweets. Which food the loser has to eat will rotate between each question.
If you're born on Christmas Day, what's your star sign?
Capricorn.
That's the one.
Pink one, isn't
Which one's that?
it? Old bandage.
It's between old bandage and...
You sweet, you don't stop anyway.
Jack Skellington appears in which Tim Burton?
And I Nightmare
Before
Before
Christmas.
Christmas. That's me.
Yeah,
That's
me.
me.
Not before, to be fair.
You have to get a handful.
God's sake. God's grim. 4.
That's cheating. You can't have a drink until after. I told you.
It's stuck at the back of your
Really?
throat.
You're not allowed to
It's
drink.
all
Can't have
gone.
it till the end of the
Put it
game.
down now, put it down now.
Are you actually
If
doing
that's a
it?
game,
No,
should
you
take
can't
all
have
the
it
big
till the end
boozles
of
at
the
once.
It's stuck in my throat.
How many points does a snowflake have?
8. 12.
Charlie, go.
Oh.
12.
No.
How many points?
Yeah.
9.
No.
6.
Yeah.
Oh,
6.
Sick.
That's a big boozle.
Oh, for God's sake. I'm still getting over that. Toothpaste or berry blue.
That's a proper cop out.
Or at least it'll get rid of the cricket.
I feel like that landed on dead fish.
You
I did not land on dead
was in
fish.
between.
No, it wasn't. Toothpaste.
What is the highest grossing Christmas film of all time?
Hold on up.
Santa Claus.
No. I'll give you a clue. It's animation.
Polar Express.
No.
Oh, what's it called?
Oh wait, I think I know it as well.
The Snowman one. Oh,
No.
Is it the Grinch?
It is the Grinch.
I was going to say that, but I didn't think it was that.
Yeah, I made it on the new one. I hope you get the vengeance. What's that?
Pomegranate or old bandage. I don't even know what pomegranate even tastes like anyway, I've never had it.
Neither. It's probably bad.
Oh,
Is it all bandage?
not bandage that.
Oh.
That is disgusting. That actually is wild. That smells like horrific as well. Oh, that is actually, the aftertaste is
Yeah,
bad
it's
as well.
minging, isn't it?
Which reindeer is said to be the most famous reindeer of all?
Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer.
What's that?
Have a bean boozle.
It's not, it's just them.
What?
You just had a big boozle, so now it's over to
Yeah,
these.
it is.
Oh, for God's sake.
I'm not.
He
a fan of
thinks
these
they're
ones.
worse than he.
No, it depends which one.
Yeah. Who does Alan Rickman play in Die Hard?
The Russian guy, like the villain. Am I supposed to know his whole name?
I don't know, I've never seen it.
Die Hard's like one of the best Christmas movies, but I can't remember the.
Not a Christmas movie, like, but yeah.
I was gonna
It
say
is
that.
definitely a Christmas
I was
movie.
gonna say
And
that.
Die Hard 2 is a Christmas movie as well.
Who wrote How the Grinch Stole Christmas?
Tim Burton. No.
Roald Dahl.
You can't. Oh no, you can't.
Is it Roald Dahl?
No.
I don't know. Pass.
But no, wait. Give us the first letter then.
Well, I might give it away, but the first part of his name
I will be.
is someone that you'd find in like a hospital.
I know it. It's
Dr.
really obvious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's a bean
Get a
boozle.
boom. Go on.
Get
Get
a
a dead
boom.
fish.
3 on.
Oh,
Stinky.
stink
Stink
bug.
bug. So he's either going to get stink bug or marshmallow. What is it? You'd know if it was toasted.
It's not toasted marshmallow.
What is it?
It tastes weird. Oh. Yeah, it's not nice.
On Christmas Day, you would find a joke inside of what?
A Christmas cracker.
Yeah.
Oh, I actually hate these.
As if we're taking loads as well.
That's what you have to. It's the
Yeah,
rules.
like a
Yeah.
Oh, she's like, oh, we shouldn't have brought them now.
Yeah.
It's fine about eating one.
Nope.
No, you have to
Yeah,
get
I
it.
got Mick.
You have to get it mixed because there's all different flavours as well.
How was that, Jack?
Horrible.
Sour. Sour.
He got barf.
Can't even comment.
disgusting. I was spot mine. I was like,